Hello everyone. Today is August 18th. It's a Wednesday. The market is starting to go down for right now, and we have some great signals here on the Trade Scalper that I want to share with you. Those of you who have the Trade Scalper have the exact same signals. There's no optimization, which is a beautiful thing. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker, understand the risks involved with trading. So for today, we have on the E-mini S&P a few signals to go long, to go short. And remember, what we do here is look at price action to tell us whether I should be a buyer or a seller and the type of environment that we're in. So for example, this long trade right here, the great trade to go long, if you look down here at the ATR, 2 points, a point and three-quarter, point and a half, it rose up and went right to your target. And then you have another short trade here at 44 quarter, and this again moved a good 3 3/4 of a point. Again, we look at the ATR, this yellow line down here, to tell us what to expect, and that's a good measure of what you want to take before deciding to trail a stop. So a point and a half first, and then begin to trail a stop if it continues. This made a nice 3-4 point move. And then we have these short signals that have just really started to pop up, telling us to go short. Again, those of you who have the Trade Scalper have the exact signal, so hopefully you're taking advantage of a great short trade signals at the moment, because this obviously could turn around and go up. So if you're trading the Trade Scalper 44.40 quarter, 44.39.75, 44 quarter, these are all great moves that you can take advantage of as we start the day. And it's not over yet, because we have lots of signals created by the Trade Scalper if the method coincides with the price action. So this is very important. We should understand that the method itself is based on whether or not the price action is working in accordance to the rules of how we trade this. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.